Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Windows 11 activity history. Clearing your Windows 11 activity history helps protect your privacy by removing records of your activities from your computer. So let's start the video. To clear activity history in Windows 11, click on the Start menu icon and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security tab on the left sidebar. Under Windows Permissions, click on Activity History. To delete your activity history, scroll down to the Clear Activity History for this account section and then click on the Clear History button. So click on it. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to clear your activity history. Go ahead and click on Clear button. So that's it, you have successfully deleted your Windows 11 activity history. Thanks for watching.